Hey everyone, today I have another lucid dreaming challenge for you guys since you guys seem to like these. And this challenge is going to be a bit of dream control practice. And I'm going to give you a lot of flexibility in what you can actually do here. There's only one simple rule for what you're going to be doing. So you are going to be trying out some of your usual dream control techniques. You can pick one that you want to try out, or you can pick several. But what you're going to do, instead of doing them the normal way that you do them, you're going to try and use a tool. So I especially want you to pick a technique that you normally don't need a tool for. So for example, let's say that you want to spawn items. You might do something like imagining the item is in your pocket, or imagining it's behind a closed door or something like that. Well, today I want you to use some kind of tool to help you spawn items. You know, maybe you pick up a box and you imagine that whenever you open the box there's going to be an item in there, or maybe you somehow create yourself some kind of gun that's just going to shoot out the items that you want. And that's just one example. Another thing is flying. You know, let's say that you, like me, jump off the ground, you take off and you start soaring through the air, and that's just your normal way of flying in a lucid dream. Well, this time I want you to try something different. Try giving yourself a pair of wings and, you know, flying with those. Try spawning a jetpack and putting that on and seeing what that's like. Maybe even summon yourself an aeroplane and try and pilot it. Try and be really imaginative with this, because what this exercise is going to do is it's going to get you familiar with different ways of tackling the same dream control problems. And this is going to be really useful for a lot of reasons. One of the big ones though is the fact that you're going to find that sometimes your usual dream control technique just doesn't work as planned. Maybe this dream is a bit less stable and it's just not working out. Or, you know, maybe subconsciously you don't feel like it'll work in this situation. Well, if you have some backups and some alternative ways of solving the problem, then it's a lot easier to ensure that you can still do it. This is also good for helping you with solving new dream control problems. I'm sure there's that one thing, dream control wise, that you've been trying to do for ages now and you just can't quite seem to get it done. Well, if you try and learn all these different approaches with the things that you can do, you can come up with some creative ideas for the things that you can't and maybe find a solution there. Now, in the event that someone watching this is at the complete opposite end of the spectrum, you know, you do lots of different dream control things and for all of them you use tools. You always fly with a jetpack. You always spawn items out of your magic bag that you hold on you that just has everything in it. You control dream characters by pointing a magic wand at them and telling them what to do. If you're that kind of person and you always use tools, do the exact opposite. Try your usual dream control techniques without using tools, without anything other than the power of, you know, tricking yourself mentally, or doing it, you know, physically. So try and just jump up in the air to fly, or, you know, try and spawn an object in the palm of your hand even. Really, the key here is to switch things up and take your usual dream control techniques and mix things up a little bit. And if you've made it this far into the video, what I want you to do is scroll down to the comments and I want you to write down a dream control technique that you've used before or that you know about, and how you could turn it into something else, you know, how you could do it in a different way. Let me know down in the comments below. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. If you want to learn more about lucid dreaming, I highly recommend checking out my lucid dreaming book or my lucid dreaming audio course. You can find both of them on my Gumroad page. There's a link to my lucid dreaming book in the top right hand corner right now, and there's a link to both of those down in the description below. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and enable all notifications if you want to stay up to date with my new videos. And if you want to keep watching, check out one of the videos on screen, go watch that, and I'll see you there soon. Take care.